There is a girl in my office who's Hafiza Qur'an. She abides by hijab but does not wear niqab in the office, only wears it outside. She is a little immature and Freemixes with her office male friends, but she is pure-hearted. Can I marry this girl? Will she be suitable for me?
Wallahi, akhi, this is again something, she's the last woman on earth, mashallah. For example, how did you know she's a hafiz? Except by chit-chatting and talking. And you should ask yourself, should she marry me? Because you're the one who is investigating and talking and flirting and socializing and watching and observing. So you're not a modest man to begin with. All what you care about, she's not wearing the niqab, and your standards is very high, but you yourself, you pay peanuts, you get monkeys. So what are you trying to do? No, you should not, to begin with, marry someone who works with you in the office and mixes with your friends, and your friends have seen her. You should marry someone who's modest, who's stay-at-home woman, who is not exposed. Regardless of she's a hafiz or not, hifz al-Qur'an is a good thing, but it's an extra copy of the Qur'an. If you don't implement what's in the Qur'an, what's the use of hifz al-Qur'an? With all due respect, we love the Qur'an, but some of us memorize the Qur'an and the Qur'an curses him. If you memorize the Qur'an and you deal in riba, or you cheat, or you lie, or you have hypocrisy, or you come to the salat with laziness, it's all mentioned in the Qur'an that you memorize. So it's condemning you, it's against you. So it's not a criteria that, oh wallahi, this man proposed to my daughter and he's a hafiz. So you have to see if he walks the talk, if he implements it, his akhlaq, his the way he deals, and so. So it's a combination of things. It's not just that, and you have, we need to talk about this a little bit further with the individual.